This is a nice little recipe for your next party. You can even make it at Halloween. Nice and tasty and easy. Here we go. Little salt, pepper. Come through with some cheese. Jalapenos. There we go. Now check it out. Got a little jack for these Tipsy Baked Potatoes, just like this. Little brown sugar. This bacon is going to be going on our potatoes as soon as they come out of the oven. They are already baked. Let's go ahead and tap that down, pat it down. Now we have some sour cream right here. And as I said, we have some Tipsy Baked Potatoes. Everything has a little bit of alcohol in it. This is for adults only, guys. There we go. Shake this up. This is going to be ready. And now we go to the oven with our bacon and potatoes. Right this way. Cheese and beer, bourbon and bacon. It's a winning combination. We're going to put it in here. Let that cheese melt. Let that bacon get nice and candied, and we'll be right back. And here we go. We are back with our Tipsy Baked Potatoes, straight out the oven, still hot. Go ahead and grab this and use the leftover juice just like this. There we go. Got our bacon nice and candied. Go ahead and grab it, chop it up. That out the way. There we go. Now we have our vodka sour cream sauce, just like this. Come through with the candied bacon with the Jack Daniels. And we top it off with some chives, just like this. Go ahead and grab one. Nice Tipsy Baked Potato, guys.